Yep, that's me, flying Qatar Airways Business Class for the first time, and that for almost free. But here's something even better. Thanks to Qatar's Stopover Program, you can turn a long layover into a mini vacation without spending much at all. During my 18-hour layover in Doha, I stayed in a 5-star hotel, explored the city on a guided tour, and even got a free transfer back to the airport. Keep watching to find out how I did it.
Got myself some tea and went into the second floor of the lounge here at the airport so I can have a little rest on those stay beds that they have here. Of course, I didn't sleep a single hour before my flight. I had to leave at 6 a.m. and I was packing until the last minute as usual. I'm not tired at all. I'm so excited. I'm planning to eat a lot on this flight, to try as many foods as possible. I'm excited. I wish I could share this with somebody, this experience at the moment, but that's okay. I'm sharing it with you. I finally got my food. I first started with a Mezze plate with some hummus. Bread came really warm. Some pita bread. Look, really good hummus. So smooth. Champagne with food. Then beautiful steak. It definitely came out hot. But it's well done. Surprisingly soft. A little pink. Most tastes like stew. Oh, potato gratin. The potato gratin is so cheesy. Wow. You get the little carrots. Delicious. So good. Let's just say I don't like the champagne crackers and bread. Plain chicken. The saffron. Like they have these like brighten and darken for the window. So right now it's on dark mode. It gives the window a tint. Maybe I'll show you my amenity kit that I got. It comes in this little box. I would prefer it to come in a bag so I have something to use afterwards, but we take what we get. It's from Diptyque. I love their stuff. It smells so good. Et voila. See what we have in here. There's a body lotion, a nourishing lip balm, an essential face cream, and a little perfume. I think I can use the lip balm right away. Feels very soft. It's a yes for me. I always wanted one of these. And having this sliding door behind me, it's very good for privacy. See, we have here slippers. Yes. And then we got some dark blue or black pajama pants. Pajama top, which is the cutest. It's kind of scratchy. I was expecting a little bit, something more soft. I'm gonna take this home with me. They also give you pillows. I have 2 pillows, and I really like this one. It says Berlin on it, even though we came from Munich. But that's a little sweet touch. They give you these noise-canceling headphones, and they work really well. This really cancel out the noise. One thing I think is really cool, they have this phone holder here, and it charges your phone with MagSafe. And then here you have a little compartment. There was water in the headphones in there, and I filled it with snacks from the bar because why not? Organic berries, mix of chocolate, looks good. Butterscotch, popcorn, truffle chips. They also give you these fresh hand towels right when you get on the plane. I feel like they should give you a trash can here. So much trash already. Ooh, it smells like a spa. Ooh. Always travel with a lot of stuff in my hand luggage. And one thing that I can't miss, eye drop. Because my eyes get so dry and I wear contact lenses. And now into this video, you've probably seen me wear this very flaunting Amex Express hat. Not sponsored. Yeah, this is how I'm paying for this flight from Munich to Hanoi on business class with my Amex Platinum card. I would have never thought that it's possible. I'm very proud of myself. Of course, I have people that help me as well collect the points. This is your sign to definitely get. It doesn't have to be the Amex Platinum. Get a credit card with points. You're already spending money. Might as well get a free flight out of it. Collect points. There's many free or low fee credit cards where you can collect miles, or even if you just fly, sign up to the airline programs. It's free. Why not? You're already doing it. You can literally earn points on every single cent. Maybe I add a link to my account. If anybody watches this video and wants to get an Amex Platinum card, please use my link. Because I would really, really love to fly business class again. Now I'm spoiled. I don't know how I ever gonna enjoy flying coach again. So you can't extend the bed completely flat. I just realized I had so much stuff that I couldn't extend. I had to put it away. A little tight now, not gonna lie. I mean, way more space than I ever had, but okay, this is pretty amazing. Oh my god, I'm lying flat on a plane for the first time. Oh, it's blanket is so soft. I love it. Put my backpack on the little corner on top of my shoes here. It's not bad. By the way, this screen is massive. We've seen it in videos, but in real life, this is a whole ass TV.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have started our descent into Hamad International Airport, our home in Doha. In preparation for landing, please place your hand luggage in your waist storage compartment or under the seat in front of you. Ensure that your seat belt is upright. Your remote control and tray table is placed back under the seat in front of you.
So after landing in Doha, I thought, why head straight to my hotel when I could explore the city first? If your layover is longer than 6 hours, you can take the Discover Qatar Transit Tour for just $30. It's a 3-hour guided experience that takes you through Doha's highlights. And if your layover is even longer, like mine, Qatar Airways offers a stopover program with discounted rates in 4 to 5-star hotels. It's such a great way to turn a long layover into a mini vacation.
My favorite piece of advice, my survival tip for the Muslim world, is if you need a toilet, you look for a minaret. Because there will always be a bathroom nearby. Birds get so much information visually, they have to put hoods on them to like calm them down. Their eyes can see near and far at the same time, and they can also see colors in the ultraviolet range, so that they can see things we can't even see.
Just arrived at my hotel. Oh, a shower behind here. I got a free upgrade from the concierge. So my room is on the 17th floor. Thank you, Shrub. And this view is amazing. So I just arrived at my hotel and ordered some lamb chops. Hotel's treating me so well too. The concierge gave me a free upgrade. I think just for being nice. That always helps. Yeah, it's nice to be surprised with something nice. Let me recap my trip so far. Flying business is amazing, especially on a long-haul flight with Qatar Airways. I can recommend. I think sounds silly, but this was really a dream come true for me as somebody who loves traveling and loves flying and enjoys all the little bits and pieces, even going to the airport, waiting. It was amazing to lie flat, completely flat, and sleep. I got a little bit of sleep because I didn't want to sleep that much. I had coffee as well because I just wanted to take it in as long as possible to get my money's worth. And the food was amazing too. I was really surprised that the airplane food was that good. Like really good. I ate too much. I was too full. I didn't even have space for dessert anymore at the end. Yeah, the service is really nice. I had some turbulences, so you probably saw me spilling my chai all over the table and on my sweater. But everything was good. Doha Airport is beautiful, but also very big and confusing. I think signage could be better. I always get lost, and to be fair, I have really bad orientation. There could be more signage, and even me asking multiple people, info desk and security, about where the transfer desks are, they just sent me back and forth, and it could be my fault too, but at the end the transfer desk was like hidden behind a little escalator, and a security guard literally had to walk me there because I could not find it by myself. That was a little stressful, especially with the time constraints. So I wouldn't maybe recommend doing both, getting a hotel voucher and do the transit tour if you have so little time as me. Although at the end it was very stressful, but it was worth it. The transit tour was so cool. I am a little bit tired, but that's why it was kind of nice to just sit on the bus, have the beautiful, wonderful tour guide Nancy show us around, and then just get off. We don't get a lot of time at all the places, but it gives you a little taste of Doha. And definitely once now I want to come back to actually visit Doha. It was really nice. I'm so surprised about Doha. It's so beautiful, very modern, but with its, little twists. I was surprised about Doha, how many American fast food chains are here. On the way to my hotel, I saw Applebee's, Tim Hortons, Papa John, Outback Steakhouse, which, wow, I never even tried these restaurants before. I know they're probably not that good, but I'm super curious to try these. I hope I can make it to the pool tomorrow. I would have to go at 6 a.m. though, because my transfer to the airport leaves at 7 a.m. and I can't wait to shower in the rain shower. Anyway, I'm really happy and glad to be here to do what I'm doing. I'm grateful to be able to afford that with my points. Excited also to fly to Vietnam tomorrow and see my family again. And now I'm hungry, so let me get my food. Bye! So, I just got my food. I've been craving lamb chops for the longest time because my wonderful cousin made lamb chops for me when I was visiting her in London. And ever since then, I've been craving lamb chops and it looks so good. Yes, exactly what I wanted. It comes with broccoli, potatoes, and tomato and some sauce. Wow. It's delicious. I'm gonna kill this now and probably go sleep after. And maybe do a face mask, because why not treat yourself? Jump scare! Face mask never really fit my face. It's had the best shower ever. I have to say the lotion, the body wash, the conditioner is amazing. It smells amazing. The moisturizer is so moisturizing. I gotta save this. 1969. This mirror has a thing where when all the steam fogged up the mirror, the outside was blurry, but there was no steam in the middle of the
mirror so I could still see myself. Well, now I can't wait. Time to jump on the bed. Finally. Huge bed just for me. Just how I like it. Wow, I feel so good. I would love to spend another night here. It's so nice. Definitely recommend. The excitement of the whole experience is giving me so much energy that I actually don't feel tired at all. In 48 hours I should probably get some sleep now. And I just say here, thanks for watching and good night. Good morning. So I made it to the pool. I had to wake up at 5:30 a.m, took a quick dip and then got ready to head to the airport. Once there, I got access to the separate entrance and security check and made my way straight to the Mourjan Business Class lounge. I was a lot disappointed that I didn't have the sushi buffet I was so excited for, but that disappointment quickly vanished when they surprised me with this huge salmon plate. Definitely made up for it. Next, my second flight to Hanoi. Here's a funny twist. Turns out I was on the same flight as the Armenian president. He was seated somewhere behind me with his team, but I didn't really find out until we were disembarking in Hanoi. We were stalled at the plane because a small army of cameras was waiting for him at the bottom of the plane. As a result, all the business class passengers had to wait for his entourage to leave before we could exit. And when I finally stepped off the plane, I was surprised to see a red carpet rolled out at the airplane stairs. I couldn't help but think, really? For me? Definitely a memorable exit to an amazing flight. The first business class flight is coming to an end. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty sad. It was really nice, but also after 30 hours of traveling, I am tired. And I think I look tired as well. To conclude, I think it was totally worth it, and I can't wait for my next long-haul business class flight.